Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Erica Lifestyle again. Here it's Erica Lifestyle here. So yeah, today's vlog, it's another unboxing and another review vlog. And what I got here, it's a scent from the house of Gucci, and it's scent or fragrance, or shall I say perfume. Since I myself love perfume and any kind of scents, I have different kind of scents or perfumes according to season. I have summer perfumes, winter, fall, and spring scents. So here with me is the very trending Gucci Bloom. It's right here. It's still on the plastic, so stay with me and bear with me because we gonna unbox this together, and I'm gonna tell you what are the good side about this scent from the house of Gucci. So yeah, I got this from Amazon, not from Macy's, not from over the counter. So I'll put the link on my description if you guys are interested, and you can purchase it because I really love it. It's added to my collection as well. So yeah, without any further ado, let's keep the ball rolling, and we're gonna start it and unbox this. It's still on the, it's still sealed with the plastic on it, it's still right here. So yeah, we're gonna open this one, and you better stay with me because this is very interesting perfume. So I'll just remove this plastic. So yeah, so this is how it looks like from the box itself. I love how they, it's the floral thing. I love floral. That's why I'm wearing like, floral thing on my dress, because it really matches on my perfume box since it's floral. So I super love it, this one, guys. So I'm excited, and I love. So let's open this together. It's Gucci Bloom from the house of Gucci, of course. So there you go. So this one, you can tell that it's very authentic from here. It has a cereal there. As you can see in the very bottom. And this one is, I think this is, how many ml this one? It's 100 ml or 3.3 OC. This one, super love it. Oh my god, I'm in love. So this floral Gucci, this is Gucci Bloom, and this is perfume, of course. This is alcohol. These are the ingredients. So it has alcohol, D-night, and aqua water, of course. So yeah, and super love this one. And let me read to you. And I think this is the price of this is very reasonable and very worth it. So this is like, it smells like, I think this one, it smells like jasmine. And what I like this perfume in, it's not that indolic or you know, the jasmine. It's not that you know, it's perfect smell, and it's very youthful, and it's very casual smell or easy to wear, and it's perfect for warm weather, and it's like perfect for summer or spring, shall I say. Or you can wear it when you hang out with your friends or at nighttime. This is also perfect. So this is like, I think the longevity for this one is like 60 hours. So it's more than like a day. So it's long last. It lasts long. So I don't see any, like, you know, I don't see any flirtatious scents or sensual with this scent. It's like perfect. So this is like very alluring, and of course this is like very magnetic as well, and it's like the innocent, and it's casual sceneries with this perfume, and like I said, it's very reasonable price. I think around like 150, something like that, if you go to Macy's, or if you want to go to Sephora as well. But this one, I got this on Amazon. Yeah, it was the same. They're like the same price. Yeah. So, and it is like very like I said, it was released by the House of Gucci, of course. It's Gucci, so it's like incredibly pleasant to smell, and its versatility concern, it's, you know, you can wear whatever you want. You can wear this any season, but for me it's perfect for summer or spring as well. So I really love this one. It's gonna be added to my collection. I'm gonna be smells good, smell fresh, and one thing about this one, it's, you know, it's perfect for us women, and it smells, you know, the femininity of this smells. Yeah. And for me, my final verdict with this perfume, it's really good for women. You know, it's perfect for us because it's like the femininity, it's express our femininity. So that's one thing about this Gucci Bloom. So yeah, I super love this one. I can't wait to wear this when I hang out with my friends, and it smells so good, and the top is perfect, just like that way. And yeah, just do it, and smells so good. Perfect. So if I'm gonna wear a perfume, I'm gonna make sure I have to put it here before on my hair or on any of my dress. That's my secret on, you know, to long last of my perfume. Or you can put any like some to make it last long. Put like a petroleum jelly on here, and then rub it, and it's just spraying it a little bit, and then it's voila, it's perfect. So yeah, I think that's it, guys, and thank you for watching, and this has been your Erica lifestyle here, and I love Gucci. I love this one. So see you next time in my vlog. Once again, this has been Erica lifestyle saying to you, stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.